Welcome to the Floorometry Installation Instructional Companion by Construction Specialties. Floorometry must be installed in accordance with the printed installation instructions. This video is only to be a companion to the printed instructions. Now we will demonstrate how Floorometry is easier to install than traditional tile. For custom configurations such as radius and diagonal shapes, Construction Specialties offers an on-site measuring service performed by a factory technician. All custom shaped tiles are pre-cut at the factory, labeled, and ready to install. The location and all materials must acclimate to a minimum of 68 degrees prior to the installation. To begin the installation, step 1. Remove installation instructions, lifting tool, and custom drawings from box. Remove the individual Floorometry tiles from the box. Custom cut tiles are labeled and correspond to the custom drawing. Note that full-size tiles are not labeled. Do not detach the top surface of the Floorometry tile from its mud plate. It is to be installed as one piece. Step 2. Dry fit the tiles to ensure each piece is located in exactly the right location. Tiles must be flush with adjacent tiles and finished floor. You can use a rubber mallet to gently tap tiles into place. If you have any issues with fit, now is the time to contact our customer service department at 800-233-8493. Step 3. Apply adhesive. Refer to the adhesive manufacturer's instructions for spread rate and concrete condition requirements. Remove one row of tiles. Apply adhesive and replace tiles. Continue removing one row at a time and apply adhesive until all tiles have been installed. Once the adhesive has cured, the top surface of the tile can be removed for cleaning using the lift tool provided. Hook the tool approximately 3 inches in from a corner and lift to release the corner clip. Repeat at all 4 corners of the tile and then lift the tile up. To replace the tile, simply align the tile over the corner clips and snap back into locked position. Any small pieces can have the adhesive buttered to the mud plate for installation. Wipe off any excess adhesive from the Floorometry tiles. Denatured alcohol can be used to remove adhesive that has started to cure. Use a straight edge to ensure each tile is flush to adjacent tiles and finished floor. Use a rubber mallet to make any final adjustments. Lastly, clean the tiles using a household detergent or stainless steel cleaner if necessary. Cover up material with plywood to protect until ready for use.